Hey guys, it's Colton from Vanstand.ca. I'm just here at the Burrard Skytrain Station to check out Bada Bing today. Hey, how's it going?
Hi, going great, thank you.
What's your name?
Eddie.
What's that?
Eddie.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too.
So how long have you guys been in business for?
About a year.
About a year?
Yeah.
Are you guys always around this area?
Yeah, downtown. We're always in downtown.
Always downtown.
But this new location the city just gave to us, so we're here every day, all day long.
Great stuff.
Yeah.
So what would you recommend me to order? I've never had Bada Bing before.
Our most famous is the steak sandwich.
I'll take one of the steak sandwiches then.
Alright.
Thank you.
Well done, you're welcome.
Make sure the bread is toasted, okay? And then that's the steak. It's already cooked. We make sure the smell come out.
Attract customers.
Attract the customers. Put the cheese, some water, this, and we put this one. And then we said we have to say bada bing bada boom, you know? And bada bing bada boom, and look. Yeah, it's Italian bread actually. So we go this one, and we take it like this. Yeah. And wow.
Look at that.
The sandwich, Philly steak sandwich from Bada Bing truck in Vancouver.
Yeah. Toss it on. So I got the steak sandwich from Bada Bing. Just about to take the first bite. It looks absolutely delicious. Oh, cheese coming off my mouth. Wow, that is so good. Holy crap. Oh my goodness. I need to stop filming. This is going to get embarrassing real quick. Alright guys, that was Bada Bing. They're located at the Burrard Skytrain Station in lovely downtown Vancouver every day. Come check them out.